The famous work-life balance in Denmark is really apparent when a warm summer day hits around 3 p.m. on a Thursday or Friday, and it feels like the entire city is outside. At the end of the month, school is back in session, and the city is at its busiest, feeling alive and energetic. Events to check out. 1. For 10 days at the end of August, Scandinavia's largest food festival, Copenhagen Cooking and Food Festival, takes place around town. There's lots of eating, of course, along with symposiums on things like food deserts and sustainability and cooking demonstrations. 2. Strom is an EDM lover's dream, and the multi-day festival includes raves, dance parties, DJ sets, and other events. 3. The annual Copenhagen Pride each August brings out the rainbow flags and allies who support the queer community. There's a parade on Saturday as well as cultural events, like political forums, film screenings, and concerts. 4. For 3 days in August, Kulturhaven hosts more than 100 cultural events on Copenhagen's waterways, like dance, music, children's activities, sports, sustainability, and workshops, as well as guided tours by kayak in Copenhagen Harbor. All events are free.